The Ikshvaku dynasty begins with Surya, the sun god, who symbolizes life, energy, truth, and righteousness. Surya's son was Vivasvata Manu, regarded as the progenitor of humanity after a great flood. Ancient scriptures describe Manu as the first great lawgiver and the ancestor of many royal lineages. Among Manu's sons was Ikshvaku, who became the first king of this magnificent dynasty. Ikshvaku established his capital in the ancient city of Ayodhya, located on the banks of the Sarayu River. Ayodhya would later become one of the most celebrated cities in Indian civilization and remain the political and spiritual heart of the dynasty for generations. Because Ikshvaku founded this royal house, the Solar Dynasty became known as the Ikshvaku Dynasty. Ancient texts describe Ayodhya as one of the grandest cities of its time. Wide roads, magnificent palaces, beautiful gardens, prosperous markets, powerful fortifications. The city was said to be so well planned that enemies found it impossible to conquer. In fact, the name Ayodhya literally means the unconquerable.